Welcome to e-Management of Inspire Awards Manak, User Guide for School Authority. This video will help the school authority to register on EMIAS portal and to understand the process of students' nomination and reset the password. You can visit the website by typing www.inspireawards-bst.gov.in in the address bar of any browser. Another way to visit this website is by typing Inspire Awards Manak on Google. The first link which appears is of Inspire Awards Manak website. Welcome to homepage of Inspire Awards Manak. The homepage displays various sections for user, such as About Us, Authorized Login, Search Authority Details, Guidelines and Manuals, Info Corner Downloads, our contact details, and Frequently Asked Questions. The Authorized Login is the section for application user. Various authorities like national, state, district, and school has been assigned access to this portal using the given username and password. You may also click here for Authorized Login. Let's start the process. For one-time registration of schools, that is, new school, click on School Authority tab for registering as a new school. Before going for new registration, please ensure that the school is not registered in the past. You can check the old details of school using Search Authority Details tab. Click on Search Authority Details tab and click on Check Your Application Number and Email ID. Select your state, district and school details. Enter Submit. It will reflect the previously registered school details. Please click for New Registration tab. For new registration of school authority, please enter 11-digit school UDISE code. 3 cases can appear. In first case, it will display the school information associated with UDISE code like school name, district and state. If the information displayed is correct, please click on Yes and proceed further. Before starting the process of registration, please ensure that the school has a valid email ID and password. It is advisable to use the school email ID which can be used, even if the authority changes. In this permanent registration form, select the state from the drop-down menu. Select the category of school, School Board. Select the revenue districts of that state will appear in this tab. Similarly, select the other details. Select the name of your school from the list. In case the name of your school is not there in the list, choose the Others option from the menu. A new box will appear where you can type the name of your school. After entering the details, enter the authorized email ID of the school. Click on Send OTP to verify the email. Once you receive the OTP in this email ID, enter here and click on Verify tab. Enter the authorized person contact number and click on Save and Next button. In this page, enter the location details of the school. Once you click Save and Next button, a pop-up window will open, mentioning that the information has been saved successfully. In the next page, add brief details about your school. Enter the CAPTCHA code and save the details. Enter the details of authorized person, most likely the principal or headmaster of the school. Once the information is saved successfully, a unique application number is generated. This application number will be used for all future references and communications. Please review the details before the final submission. In case you want to edit any information, click on Edit tab. Make the necessary changes and then save those details. For the final submission, click on Forward for Approval tab. After clicking OK, a new message window will pop up. Thank you, school registration process has been successfully completed. For generating acknowledgement, click on Generate Acknowledgement tab. Your acknowledgement will be downloaded. You will also receive a system-generated email on your registered ID. Once your application is approved by District Authority, your user ID and password for future reference will be generated and emailed to you. In second case, when you enter your 11-digit school UDISE code, it shows no DICE code found. Do you want to continue with this DICE code? If yes, press yes, else press no. Follow the same process to fill the permanent registration form as did before. In the third case, when you enter your 11-digit school UDISE code, it shows your school is already registered. It means you can directly log in into School Authority. In case you forgot your password, reset it. For resubmission of one-time registration or saved files, if you have received an email regarding rejection of your application from District Authority, check the reason for rejection in email and then click on this tab. Enter either your application number or email ID and submit. Edit the required details and forward to District Authority for its approval. Once the application is approved by District Authority, you will receive username and password. Click on this link to set your password. Enter your user ID and set password of your choice. Please remember, new password must contain minimum 8 characters. At least one uppercase alphabet, one lowercase alphabet, one number and one special character. Your new password is set. Now you can log in to School Authority tab with this username and password. To log in and nominate students' ideas or innovations, open the home page www.inspireawards-dst.gov.in and click on School Authority tab to log in. Enter your username and password. A new page will appear like this. There are 4 main sections in this page. First, nomination. Second, awards. Third, miscellaneous. And fourth, update bank details. Click on Student Nomination tab to start the nomination process of the student. Follow the important instructions during student nomination. Enter the required details. In case student does not have Aadhaar number, leave it blank. Enter the innovation title and brief write-up of innovation. Enter the bank account details of nominated student. Now click on the Submit button. Please upload student photograph. Select the project synopsis language and upload the project synopsis. You can also upload the idea or innovation photo and audio or video if available. If it is not available, you can leave this section blank. Click on Save and add another student details. Similarly, follow the same process for other students. All the rows in the application will be green once we have submitted students' information. If you find out that any row is left red, please update the student's details by clicking on this sign. Now press Save and Continue tab. Now enter the details of authorized person and save. This page will show application status. Your nomination process has been completed successfully. You can press View and Edit tab and still make changes to student details. Otherwise, click Forward Application. Now you can generate acknowledgement. Your application has been submitted successfully and forwarded to District Authority for its approval. Guideline to recover user ID and password for registered school. If you have forgotten or lost your user ID, password, application number, and registered email ID, please follow these steps. Open the Inspire Awards Manak homepage. Click on Search Authority Details section. Click Check your application number and email ID. A new page will open. Now click on School Details radio button. Select State, District and your school name. If your school name is not included in the drop-down menu, it means that your school has not been registered yet. After locating your school name in the menu, please click on the Submit button. Your application number and registered email ID will be displayed below. Once you know your application number, you will be able to recover your password. For recovering password, please click on the School Authority tab to log in. Then click on Forgot Password. For retrieving the password, enter your application number, CAPTCHA code and click Get Password. You will receive an email in your registered email ID where your user ID and link to reset password will be given. If you do not find the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Click on this link to reset the password. Now set your password to log in. Enter your user ID and password of your choice. Your password is set now. Log in to verify your details. If the registered email ID is not valid, or if you do not have access to it anymore and you want to change it, please send an email request to inspire@nifindia.org along with following details, and kindly keep your district nodal officer in CC while sending us an email. Application number, state, district, sub-district, school name, old email ID, new email ID. You may also request your district authority to change your email ID. After changing the email ID, you have to follow same process to get your user ID and password. General information about school authorities dashboard and frequent queries related to the EMIAS. If you want to change school details like authorized person's name, email ID, contact number, etc., please click on Edit Profile tab at School Dashboard. Make the necessary changes and click Update button. In case of failed bank transaction, if you had received any email regarding incorrect or wrong bank details, then please click on the Update Bank Details icon and fill the correct bank account details. If you have not received the email, please check your spam folder. For checking whether the nomination is approved by District Authority or not, open the home page, click on Search Authority Details and then Application Form. Enter your details and click on the tab. You will get the result whether your application is approved or pending for approval. In case of any ambiguity, please feel free to contact us on our help desk number 9638 418605 02764 350007 or 08 or 09 or 10, or email us at inspire@nifindia.org. Like us on Facebook. Inspire Awards Manak. Follow us on Twitter, Inspire Manak. Follow us on Instagram, Inspire Awards Manak.